how to switch to a creator account on TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen. Here, tap on the Settings and Privacy option and then under the Accounts tab, tap on the Account option. Here, you might see two options, that is switch to business account or switch to personal account. So if you are currently on personal account, you will see the switch to business account option. And if you are in business account, then you will see the personal account option. So in order to switch to personal account, that is also known as the creator account, tap on the switch to personal account option and in the confirmation pop-up that appears, tap on switch anyway, and with this, you will be switched to your personal account. So this is how you can switch to a creator account on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.